Amazing ants. Ants are truly amazing creatures. You probably see them all the time. But how much do you know about these little insects? Ants live in a large community called a colony. There are thousands of ants in each colony. They are very organized and have different jobs. The queen ant lives inside the nest and lays eggs. There can be one queen or many queens. The queen usually lives for a year or two, but the queens of some species can live for up to 30 years. Queen ants are usually much bigger than the other ants in the colony. The worker ants dig tunnels. They also find and collect food. They are all female. They usually only live for a few months. Most ants in the colony are worker ants. Some ant colonies also have soldier ants. They protect the colony, attack other colonies, and carry heavy objects. Like the worker ants, they are also female and live for just a few months. They are the biggest ants in the colony except for the queens. The drones are the only male ants. They have wings and they all fly away on warm days to mate. They live for a few weeks or months. An ant cannot survive long on its own, but by working together in their colonies, they can live almost anywhere.